Good morning, friends. We have made it up Provo Canyon and we are outside of Midway, Utah at Wasatch Mountain State Park. And you guys will get to meet some of our family today. We are up here hiking with some cousins at, what's the trail she said? What's the trail? Pine Creek Nature Trail. So let's go hiking.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep.
All right, so we made it to the top of the nature trail. We're up at about 6,300 feet. Some of the mountains in the area topping up around 8,000. It's a nice cool day so far. We're in the morning and it's been fun.
It's a loop trail, so the kids are gonna play for a while and then we'll head back down.
Yep.
Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list, girl, you can skip this funny business. Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Cause I'm happy with the simple life.